Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're joined with Tony Tiffits, the CEO from MAGIQ Software. Tony, thank you so much for being here today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about MAGIQ Software?
Yeah, thanks, Ali. It's really nice to be here with you. MAGIQ Software is proudly celebrating our 40th year of business success in 2020. We're a privately owned business that employs 100 staff across New Zealand, Australia and the US, and we proudly service over 550 customers. We're a public sector market-focused organisation and deal mainly with local governments, health, state and central government organisations. And we do have a few emerging markets in sectors such as non-for-profit and education. We service three distinct customer markets. Those markets are our New Zealand market, which is really ERP-centric, where we dominate the local government marketplace with our MAGIQ platform. In Australia, we have well over 300 customers that we support and service with our solutions known as MAGIQ Performance and MAGIQ Documents. Again, local government, public health, state government, central government centric. And we have a small team in the US that supports a small channel partner base that we have over there. And they effectively take our MAGIQ Performance solution, which is a budgeting, reporting and dashboarding solution, into their own ERP customer base. And today we have over 150 municipals across the US as customers of MAGIQ Software. So that's a bit about our organisation.
Wow, it's so amazing that a business based in New Zealand has footing all across the world. I love that. So Tony, what does it mean to be a public sector cloud platform?
Yeah, well, effectively we deliver what we call a public sector cloud platform to our customers, and effectively it allows public sector organisations to consume the full ERP or parts thereof. And the full ERP is what you'd expect from traditional ERPs, with components including finance, payroll, HR, CRM, council regulatory rating modules, mobility, online, budgeting, etc. So, you can have the lot or you can have a part of the lot. It's up to you to consume it that way within the platform. But our mission is to deliver a secure, affordable, easy to use, fast to deploy cloud platform for our customers. And AWS is really proving a massive enabler in the way that we go to market to do that. Really importantly, I just wanted to add, during the chaos of 2020, COVID-19 has really amplified the focus on remote working and remote secure access of organisational data and information. And the MAGIQ Cloud platform is really uniquely placed as a native cloud solution to allow that secure rapid access from any browser for our customers into their cloud environment. So we're really at the pointy end of cloud deployment within our marketplace.
That's incredible. And you guys have recently launched some pretty cool processes. One which actually stuck out to me was your MAGIQ Data First software. So Tony, can you tell me about what Data First migration means for your customers?
Yeah, certainly. We're really proud of the IP that we've delivered within MAGIQ Data First, and it's a real game changer for our sector, and cloud has really enabled us to create some significant advantage here. Traditional system implementations and migrations and conversions have been delivered on what they call a parallel run, where you take your current system and you run it alongside your new system, and you have a couple of events where you cross-check data and make sure that everything balances and looks right. But it's quite a cumbersome and slow process, and can be problematic for the critical users that are going through that change. So Data First is exactly what it says on the label. We go and we manage data first. So we flip the migration process. We engage it with a customer, and the first thing we do is start mapping data. So the cloud really enables us to facilitate a synchronization process that allows us to mine the legacy system and pre-populate all of the data, the transaction, the history, the balances in the MAGIQ Software platform, where all the testing, training and familiarization is done. So, it does improve user testing, it improves training and general confidence throughout a project, because typically our customers are only changing systems every 5 or 10 or 15 years. So change is painful, and data migration and conversion is extremely painful for most other vendors. So we've really created something special and different. And again, our mantra is, with data first, to make it secure, make it quick, make it easy, and make it affordable for our customers.
That is so awesome. And I mean, I imagine it would be very tricky for a customer migrating to be without their data. So this is such a great solution. And it seems so obvious. I can't believe it's never been done. So well done on creating that IP. And also, you have been recently working with AWS to nurture a greater understanding of your costs. So can you talk us through that a little bit?
Yeah, we've done lots and lots with AWS recently. We've done it relatively quickly in a very affordable fashion. We're a 100-person organisation, so we've worked closely with the team at AWS in New Zealand and in Australia, along with one of their SaaS partners as well. We've had done effectively a full review of how we're deploying our cloud offering. We've been in the cloud for 3 years with AWS, and this year was our first real go back and review and look at how we can recalibrate and maximise our investment in the cloud. So we've gone and been through a few reviews, including AWS economics. And one of the new things that you guys have brought to the market for vendors like us is AWS SaaS Boost, which is a program that drives rapid cost and migration optimization. So, and the other thing that we're also doing is we're now developing infrastructure as a code to automate the ongoing provisioning of our cloud platform. So we've bounced out of those things with immediate benefit, process improvement, cost reduction, and AWS have worked really hard to ensure that our significant customer base, can be migrated from on-prem, to cloud, and we can all share in the financial and process savings that come with this review. So from our perspective, the cloud's driving significant changes in the pricing models that we can take to market. So it's been a really good process and excellent engagement from the AWS teams that we've dealt with.
Wow, thank you so much. That's really incredible to hear, honestly. And finally, you guys have recently become a strategic AWS APN partner, a select tier. So what does this mean for your customers, and what does it mean in general, actually?
Yeah, look, I'll start with a really corny statement, which is the real winners are our customers, and they really are. I think the closer we get to AWS, and the better we drive and maximise the partner status that we have with AWS. By continually reviewing our setup, our account structures, our pricing, our migration, our onboarding, the better outcome we'll get, the better outcome our customers will get. The other thing it also means for us is that it's a real investment in our staff that support our cloud and product capability. So we're ensuring that all of our technical teams are endorsed or accredited through their area of discipline within the AWS ecosystem. So all of our staff are going through AWS accreditation as well. But for us, there really is no end date. This is about continual improvement. This is about us climbing the ladder of AWS partner capability and driving the eternal challenge, which is affordable, fast, and creating value for our customers, because at the end of the day, it's really about the customer. And one last thing I just thought I'd really add is that ultimately for us, AWS is driving, or our relationship with AWS is driving real attachment for our customers and staff to our corporate mission. And our corporate mission has 4 pillars. Our first pillar is customers for life. Our second pillar is delivering an exceptional product experience. Our third pillar is manager-led businesses with no silos. And our last pillar is to always be improving our communication inside and outside the business. So everything we do with AWS is really talking to each of those missions that we have as an organisation. And AWS is a key partner for MAGIQ Software. And today in our marketplace, it's all about value, speed, and affordable customer engagement. And that's what we're all about.
Tony, it is music to my ears, honestly. We are very much aligned with our leadership principles. Customer obsession is just something that we live and breathe, which is very similar to MAGIQ Software, and delivering results is something you mentioned. So the 4 pillars are really, really in line with AWS, and we just love working together. So thank you so much for coming on the show today, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you very much.